it's a solid surface similar to ice stone and quartz, but it's made with a soybean-based resin as opposed to a petroleum-based resin. So again, it has that eco-friendly product.
So part of it again is, I would say it's in a market like Saskatchewan where it's tough to find products, and I've had this discussion where it's been a real challenge for builders and developers to to get access to LEED certified products. So that's our mandate, is to be able to bring this to the Saskatchewan market. So think of it as more of a framework for supply and procurement for from a retail perspective, but also for the development community. And so we don't want to limit it to a number of products, but again, a channel for you folks to come in and find the eco-friendly products that just aren't available here.
Do you guys sell wood sheets made out of bamboo? Bamboo sheet? Bamboo plywood?
Not currently, but
yeah.
We do have some laminate and some hardwoods and some carpets that are going to be coming in. So through those suppliers, potentially it's available. We just haven't looked at that yet. But bamboo specifically.
I was at a place on Miller Avenue that had that. The name West Coast Building Products sounded familiar. I didn't know if it was your guys or not. Must not have been.
So we will be at the home show next week, 17th to the 20th. And then we're planning a grand opening of the showroom facility for the 31st, the following Thursday, after the home show.
And where's your office here in Saskatoon located?
3027 Miller Avenue, Unit H.
Yeah. Which is, if you know where the new Co-op gas bar is going on Miller and 51st, so just like 3 blocks north of that location, right by Shires. For those where Shires is. Yeah.
Tim Hortons.
Exactly. Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons and Wendy's. Yeah. Yeah. We'll also have a display at Costco at some point. I'm thinking summertime frame, but really it's going to depend what Costco's doing, because I think they're also looking at expanding or changing locations. So yeah, but we'll have a display there for our kitchen cabinet line.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So on that note, with your kitchen cabinet line, what's different about your kitchen cabinets? What makes them eco-friendly?
Formaldehyde-free, the process of manufacturing, mainly.
Yeah, and so the casing itself, and so I think I'll have to check on the door fronts themselves, but specifically around the casing, or the interior casing. It's made of it's a recycled material. It's a LEED certified material. And to Carlo's point, the low formaldehyde or low to zero formaldehyde rating on in terms of emissions. So when you walk into a new home and that new home smell, or that new carpet smell, or when you buy a car, that new car smell, it's actually what you're breathing in is formaldehyde. And although it smells great, it's not so good for you. And so Merit's been very conscious about about formaldehyde or toxicity emissions within the home. Merit is actually the only Canadian supplier that can import into Japan, and Japan has, I think, the strictest air quality control measurements in any country in the world. And so I know Merit Kitchens is I think the only Canadian cabinet supplier that can import into that country. So yeah, they're also, I think, one of the few that can offer a lifetime warranty on their cabinets as well. So so aside from being environmentally friendly, also a very durable product.
Yeah.
Where are they based?
Surrey, BC. Yeah. So the hotel that Uta mentioned, so it's part of is it the Canadian Pacific Centre?
Yeah.
Right on the
well,
border.
it's just off
Exactly.
the Pacific Center.
Yeah. So that's also a sustainable project, and so Merit, I know, won the contract for all the cabinets within the Canadian Pacific Centre as well. Yeah, so we're seeing a lot of that thought leadership, you know, on the green building supplier side, coming out of Vancouver, and you know, so we're certainly trying to be plugged into that community and bring that a bit further east into the prairies here. So again, thank you for your time.
Thank you.